guys, today I introduce Ichiran Ramen Copycat.
Have you ever tried Ichiran Ramen? It's one of the most popular tonkotsu ramen in Japan. Normally, the soup takes many hours, sometimes even days, to make. But today, we are making it in just 15 minutes. And it tastes just as good as the real Ichiran Ramen.
Sounds unbelievable? Then watch this video and try it yourself. Let's make the Ichiran-style ramen at home!
Let's introduce ingredients. Ramen noodle for 2 servings. 100g pork belly. 1 clove of garlic. 1 green onion. There are many seasonings, so check the next slide or description the detail. Let's get started! First, the sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of gochujang. This recreates the signature sauce on top of Ichiran Ramen. Then, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add a pinch of white pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. It's a bit thick, so add about 1 teaspoon of water. Mix well. And it's done. Now chop the green onion. Stack them and cut finely. Cut as much as you like for topping. Now the garlic. Cut off the top and bottom, and the skin will peel off easily. Now let's make the most important part, the soup. Add 600 ml of water to the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of lard. Add 100g of pork belly. Frozen is fine. Then add 2 teaspoons of chicken stock powder. The combination of chicken and pork creates an amazing flavor. Add 4 teaspoons of sake. Grate the garlic and add it in. Add about 6 shakes of white pepper. Now add the powdered gelatin. This is the key to recreating the rich, creamy texture of the ramen broth. Once everything is added, heat over medium heat. When it starts to boil, lower the heat and cover it. Simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Now comes the most important step. Use a hand blender to break down the pork belly into the tiny pieces. Keep the blender close to the bottom of the pot to avoid splashing. Real tonkotsu ramen is made by boiling pork bones for many hours, but by blending the pork belly, we can recreate a similar rich flavor in a much shorter time. After blending, add a few more seasonings. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy milk, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Blend lightly again. We add these at the end to keep the flavor fresh. Now the soup is done. Look at the rich, creamy tonkotsu-style broth. Keep it warm on low heat with the lid, so it doesn't lose moisture. Now let's cook the noodles. Boil about 2 liters of water in a large pot. Once boiling, other noodles. We are using straight noodles to match Ichiran style, but any noodle will work. Cook according to the package instruction. Be careful, ramen boils over easily. Keep the heat moderate so the noodle gently move. To keep everything hot, pour the boiling water into your serving bowl to warm it up. The noodles are ready. Drain them quickly. Then, shake well to remove excess water. Pour the soup into the bowl. And add the noodles. Lift and fold the noodles neatly for clean restaurant-style look. Top with the green onions. And add the sauce in the center. Your Ichiran-style ramen is ready!
So let's いただきます。
Let's try it! First, the soup. Wow! This really tastes like Ichiran! Now mix the sauce and try the noodles. This is incredible! It's amazing how easy it is to recreate the flavor at home. You have to try this yourself!
Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!